Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to rearrange the slides on your Google Slide mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to rearrange the slide in Google Slide mobile, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on the slide and I'm just going to edit it here, and click on the three dot which you will see a theme. So I'm just going to show how to edit it. You just need a internet to use this. That's it. So first of all, I just want to move the slide to the first position. So just long press it. Now you can just move the slide wherever on the screen, and you just can just place wherever you want. I just going to move it on the first slide, and the second slide I should move for the last slide. Just move like this. That's it. So you just want to hold the slide and just move the slide like this, and you can just rearrange the slide wherever you want. It's easier and simple. Just want to hold the slide, just move the slide, and you can just move and rearrange it on the slide. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.